In this video I'm going to show you how to download and play Minecraft for free. So what we will do, go to Google and type in Minecraft. Then go to the official website of Minecraft and click on it. Now what you can do, as I am on PC, I'm going to choose for the Windows download, but if you go a little bit down to games, you can see that there is an option to download. Go to that, and now we can click on download launcher for Windows 10 11. Click on that. Now it's downloading, and we will click on the installer, and now it will start running and updating the game. So once this is done, we can play the game and hopefully you enjoy it.